Mav, I got the radio on.
Outstanding. Get us in touch with the boat.
Copy that. Oh my God. Where the hell is this guy?
He's on our nose. Damn it! We're out of ammo. Smoke in the air! Rooster flares!
That was close! We're out of flares, Mav! Shit, he's already on us! Ah, this is not good! We took another hit!
No, 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 no!
We can't take much more of this!
We can't outrun this guy. We gotta eject.
What?
We need altitude. Pull the ejection handles the second I tell you.
Mav, wait!
Rooster, there's no other way. Eject! 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 Rooster, pull the handle! Eject!
It's not working! Mav!
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, guys.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is your savior speaking. Please fasten your seatbelts, return your tray tables to their locked and upright positions, and prepare for landing.
Hey, Hangman. You look good.
I am good, Rooster. I'm very good. I'll see you back on deck.